welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a garden renovation. So that's part of the reason why I've had a little break off of YouTube. I've been a bit quiet. I didn't manage to film any footage before we started the project, but I have got some pictures which I'll insert in the next slide. So I'll show you what we've been up to and what's been keeping me busy. What it was previously looking like after we had it updated. We got mainly paving and some artificial grass, and the gazebo broke. So these are the rough plans we've been using. First foundations, then the base, the back wall, and then onto the front wall and the two side walls. We use these quite roughly, some of the plans did change, and then also this is the roof plan. We've started quite a exciting project in the garden. So we've removed some of the slab area from where this was, and we're going to build a shed and summer house here. So the next stage is us popping the concrete blocks in as a foundation, and then the end area is going to be filled with gravel over here. It's a little bit gravel, and we've just got a few slabs to re-grout in. Yeah, this is what it's looking like currently in our garden. So this is what our back's looking like now. We've got all the breeze blocks down, which are going to be the foundation, and then over here we've got all our wood, and then I'll take you past the wood. This is our insulation that's arrived. Bit more wood, and the planks which are going to go over the top. So this is what they look like. So it's a cement based board, and you never have to treat it like wood, so that's good. And then this side here, we need to finish taking all the stones up in that corner and that corner where that bucket is, and then we're going to weed membrane that part and put stones down for extra drainage. And I've finished putting the path down here, so there's an extra layer, and then we're going to stone at the back as well, so you can get all the way down. So this is what we're using, and they actually look a bit like Kylo Ren's spaceship. And then got these nails, they're actually a bit twisted. We'll just hammer them in and then hammer them into the main frame. The update, so we've now got all of our battens in the middle all the way down, and the little metal sections held on with some more nails, and then we've put a screw through the middle, so they won't be going anywhere. So that's it. So the next stage now is to buy some chicken wire to put round the edges, so we're going to make sure nothing can get through there, and also some expandable foam and some more nails. So one of the next things to do is cut these metal bits, and then we'll fold these sections over onto the wood and onto this side and just nail them down. So yeah, so that's where we are with it at the moment. So a little update, this is where we're at now. So we've got one of the sides on here, and around here all of the back has got its boards on, so all the OSB boards are on the back, all the noggins are in. So this side on the left is going to be the shed, and then this on the right is going to be the summer house. So again, all the noggins in, and the back it's got all its board on, and then we've put all the floor down. Cat Billy's just checking it out. So this is the shed door, and that's arrived. So it's going to be like a blacky grey colour. So that's on here, and the soffits and fascias have arrived. So there's some of them, and the rest are in here. So little shed update. We're now 5 weeks into the project, and we've got all of the OSB boards on the side. Excuse Millie just walking around. And we've also put a waterproof roofing liner on top. And that's all the way around. And then we've fixed these battens on. So the battens are actually going to be used when we put the cladding on, and that'll fix on. So this is the shed side. Got the roof on today, made progress with that. So all the beams and front and side of this one. So this will be inside the shed. Take you. And then the middle bits of the summer house. So then the summer house bit, I've got that on. We've got the battens on the side as well. I'm just showing the summer house. So that's all done. So the next stage is to use these roof joists again and put them on. We've put the roof joists, and then we can OSB board the roof. And the most important part is the build has been done. We've cut the hole for the cat flap, which Millie's just sitting there. So yeah, so there'll be a little tunnel in there, and that's where the cats will get into the summer house when we're not in. Billy actually used to enjoy the gazebo that we had, so take you back. So that's the update. I'm sorry if you can hear that whirring noise in the back. I think someone's got a Hoover out and the Hoover in the car. But yeah, that's where we are. And then bifold doors should be arriving, and get the roof on, and then it's on with the doors. So exciting stuff. Thank you for watching that video. I do hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to give it a like if you did, and subscribe. And I will be back with some more videos about the shed and summer house progress. Probably be every couple of weeks that I upload a new vlog. So don't forget to click subscribe if you are into that. And I'll see you soon. Thank you for watching. Bye.